Do you want to supercharge your digital marketing? Find out why proxies are the game changers and how to get them for free. My name is Shadrach of SAS Media Studio. In this video, I am going to show you how you can get free proxies and why you need them as a digital marketer. Let's get into it. If you are new to this YouTube channel, give me some subscribe and also like this video. Now, those who want to learn how to create an SMTP server, I have a course on UDEMY. I'll leave the link at the description and also at the first comment. Make sure you check it out. Right. So now, what are proxies? Proxies are the intermediaries between you and the internet. So basically, they mask you, they protect you from the internet, you understand? So we are going to dive more deeper into what proxies are. Why do you need proxies? You need proxies to mask your IP address. What it means is that you need to hide yourself from the internet. You hide your IP address from public access. Secondly, it can help you to bypass or access geographical restricted places. Thirdly, for privacy's sake. So as I said, it is connected to the masking of the IP address. So whilst your IP has been masked, it is going to help protect yourself from the internet. So now let's dive into the three platforms that give out free proxies, right? So the first one we are going to talk about is hideme.proxy. Okay, so this is their website, so I'll leave the link of this website at the description. Click on it and you'll be redirected to their homepage. All right. So let's go to their pricing and let's check out how their pricing is. All right. So as you can see, they have 7-day free trial. Okay, so you can access their proxy for 7 days without paying anything. Then the remaining days you are going to pay $4, approximately $5 per month, and that is very cheap. All right, so you can also pay $3 if you want 36-month plan. You understand? So every month you're going to pay $3. So multiplied by 36 months is what you're going to pay. You understand? And they accept a lot of payment methods. Okay, they have Visa card, MasterCard, they have Union Pay, they have PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay. They have a lot of them. Okay, they also accept Bitcoins and other stuff. All right, so that is all about hide my ass. Okay. So, or if you want to get proxies from this platform, all you have to do is scroll down and click on activate. Okay, so you activate their free plan, then later you can pay for their service if you love their proxies. You understand? So that's how you can get free proxies using the Hide My Ass platform. So the second one we are going to talk about is hide.me. Okay, so with this is a kind of a VPN. Okay, and you know that VPNs use proxies, they use IP addresses. Okay, so you are going to use their proxies to hide your location. You understand? So you just have to click on download free VPN to download their VPN, or better still, you can click on get hide.me. Okay, now let's check out their pricing first. So I'm going to click on the pricing. All right, so you can see they have 4 plans over here: the free plan, 12-month plan, 26-month plan, and the 1-month plan. Okay, so with the free plan, when they haven't specified the number of days you can use this free plan. Okay, so if you want to know, you just have to test it, or better still, you can contact their support team to find out. Okay, so when you check their facts, okay, let me just click on this. Can I use Hide Me VPN for free? It says yes, we provide a top-notch free VPN services. That's always free with no trials. Okay, so you are going to access this plan, okay, without future payment. It's not like the Hide My Ass where you have 7 days to try their free plan, but with this you are going to use it for free till you are tired. Okay, so these are the features you're going to get if you go with their free plan. You're going to get unlimited data, but you're going to get restricted speed. So that means you not get higher speed or internet speed. You understand? You are going to have access to only 8 locations one connection and no logs. So when you run into problem, you cannot look at your logs to find what caused the problem. You understand? That is for their free plan. But with their paid plan, you can get unlimited data traffic. You can get 91 locations with 2,600 servers. You can do 10 simultaneous connections. So that means you can be rotating your IP addresses. You will not get logs as well, but you can also get fixed IP address. You can use one IP address till you are tired or till your plan gets exhausted, right? Better still, you can also use for streaming and also for dynamic port forwarding. Okay, so that is about their paid plan. So you can check them out. You can just click on get free plan with no credit card required. Okay, so we are going to try this. I'm going to click on get free plan. Then I am going to click on download now to download their app. Okay. All right. So now click on start download to download the Windows app. All right. So done with the download. So I'm going to my download folder. All right. So this is hide.me. I'm going to double click to install it. Then yes, to give access, install. So it is going to require an internet access to download and install this software. So make sure you have internet connected to your PC. Now the installation has been completed. So just click on create an account. Okay, so you need to create a new account since we don't have an account with them. Just click on create an account, then click on get your free plan. But you can read about them, their features and other stuff. Okay, so I'm just going to click on get your free plan. All right, so click on got it. Okay. All right, so they are just walking us through the application. Okay, so I'm just going to click on the dashboard, and this is it. So you can see we have best location. So for the best location, they are going to search their proxies, their IP addresses to find the best location for us. Okay, they are going to do automatic search for us. But if we want to select our own location, we can do that as well, right? So I am going to click on the power icon over here. So it is going to connect me to their proxies. So as you can see, my IP address has been changed, okay, to France IP. So this is my IP. So when I go to the internet right now and search for my IP with this website, whoer, okay, so whoer.net, I'm going to see the current IP address that is working. So as you can see, this is my current IP address. You understand? So when I scroll down, I'll get information about the IP address. You can see the country is France, and this is the region. You understand? And the city is Paris, and this is just zip code. So that is how you can use proxies to protect yourself from the internet scam, fraud, and other stuff. Okay, so that is it. So the next one we are going to talk about is Proxy. This is it. So I'll leave the link of this website at the description as well. Right. So they have extension. So we are going to download their extension. But before that, let's click on the Proxy Pro. So as you can see, this is their plans. Okay, so we have 10 days plans, 30 days plan, and 180 days plan. Okay, so you are going to pay $5 for 10 days. You are going to pay $10 for 30 days, and also $30 for 180 days. Right. So what are you going to get when you pay for these plans? So you are going to access premium service difficult to be banned. All right, you are going to do unlimited downloads. Servers will never be overloaded. Okay, don't pay periods, just the effective days. So you are not going to pay any extra fee. All right, you are going to get unlimited usage of the Proxy extension, no ads, best performance, and 30 days money back guarantee. Right, for we are here to use it for free, but I will advise you to be careful when you want to purchase from this website, because when you check at the top, you can see that they don't have any SSL certificate. which is very bad because it will be vulnerable for hackers to hack into such website because it is not protected. So if you are using your credit card to make purchase on this website, you just have to be careful. You can find virtual card to make purchase from this website. All right. So we are here to access this for free. Okay. So we just have to click on register over here. Then we need to enter our details over here. Okay. Or better still, we can just scroll up and click on one of the extensions. So if you are using Chrome or Google Chrome, you just have to click on the Chrome extension. If you are using Microsoft Edge, you just have to click on the Edge extension. Same applies to Firefox. Okay, so I am using Google Chrome, so I'm going to click on the Chrome extension. All right, so just click on Add to Chrome, then click Add Extension. All right, so now click on the extension icon, then click on the pin icon in front of the K-Proxy extension. All right, so as you can see, this is the icon. So we just have to click on it, then click on Start K-Proxy. So now, as you can see, it says connected to CA, which is Canada, right? So I'm going to this, the hide.me to disconnect it. All right. Then I'm going to go again to refresh to see my location. All right. So as you can see, the IP address has been changed, right? So let me scroll down. So you can see it is in the United States. You know, United States and Canada are very close. They are using the same country code, so I think there was a mistake identifying the proxy. Okay, so this proxy is in United States. Okay? So if you want to get full security, you need to scroll down to find out what you need. They say DNS different your DNS server country, whatever. So what they are trying to say is that the DNS of the IP address is different from the DNS of the country. So that is why they said it's a Canada IP address or Canada proxy, yet it has showed USA proxy. So we can change it to something else to see. All right, so we can see it says Canada has been France has been connected. So let's refresh and see. So now, as you can see, this we are having France IP. So if you want to get 100%, you just have to change your time to match France time on your PC. That's all. So these are the top 3 proxy providers that offer free plan or free proxies. So as a digital marketer, why would you use proxies? One, so if you want to analyze your competitor, you want to stay anonymous so that your competitor will not know that you are analyzing them. So you will need proxies to do that. Secondly, if you want to run ads, you would love to run ads at other places. And sometimes, living in certain countries, you can be banned, you can be restricted from running certain ads. You understand? So you need proxies to change your country to a different country to run those ads so that you can get more sales. The next one is you love to use IP addresses to script emails. Okay, because if you use one IP address to script a lot of emails, your IP address is going to be blacklisted or banned, and you don't want that. So you have to use a lot of IP addresses to change your locations in order to script a lot of emails, right? So this is why you need a free proxy, or you need proxies as a digital marketer. If you want to learn how to create an SMTP server, I have a course on Udemy. Make sure you go and check it out. I'll leave the link at the description and also at the first comment. Have you ever used proxies as a digital marketer? If you have used proxies before, what is your experience? Leave it at the comment section. If you are enjoying this video, give me some like and also subscribe for more future updates. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.